Hi parents, this is Mrs. Schwinn. I wanted to pop on and do a little video for you to help you get your kid logged on to Google Classroom, because I know it's a little bit different doing it from home than at school. Now at school, they're all fabulous at logging in, but at home it's a little bit different. So I wanted to make this to help you. Now I have had some parents message me and ask me for what code our Google Classroom is. Actually, I can't give you the code because then you personally would be in our Google Classroom and that's not going to help because the assignments are under your kid's email and not yours. So what I'm going to do is show you how to get your kid logged on to our Google Classroom through their home computer. So you're going to go to Google or whatever site you use to search things, and you're going to type into your browser our first grade website, which is sharebrianna.wix.com/mysite. And once you get here, your kid will know this website backwards and forwards, so they can show you where the Google Classroom is. But it is right down here, this little green box with the yellow exterior. So you're going to click that, and it's going to take you to our Google Classroom. All right, it's going to ask me to sign in. This is what's different for your kids than at school. At school, they're already logged into their email because they use their own personal Chromebook. But here at home, you need to put in their entire email, not just the first part. So Claire and Claire's mom graciously let me use their information so you can see how to actually do this. So I'm going to type in Claire's information. Now, if you were tailoring this to your kid, it would be their first initial, last name, .31@plymouth.k12.oh.us. Push next, and then you're going to type in their password. Now, your child's password is 8654 followed by their lunch number. So if my lunch number was 12345, my password would be 8654123455. Okay, so now Claire's all logged on, and she actually has two different classrooms. One is set up by Mrs. Carrier, the computer teacher, and one is set up by me. I would like you to go to the one set up by me. So all you would do is click 2019-2020, and to see the classwork that I want you to do, you're going to go up here to the top and click Classwork. Then you can see there are some headings at the top. I have Flipgrid, I have Phonics, I have Math, and I have Reading. Now Claire has done several of these already this week. That's why they're grayed out. But you will see as you log on that they will be blue. That means you still have to do them. So you can pick whatever you want to do, and it will tell you the due date over here. So let's go into a phonics lesson. So I'm going to click on this one, and it's going to tell you to watch this video and then take the short iQuiz at the end and then turn it in. But if you were doing, let's say, math, I could view assignment. And then I gave you any instructions over here. I haven't given any instructions because the kids know how to do that, and their work is over here. They do this every day at school, so they know what to do. But just in case you want to know what to do, their work is attached here. You're just going to click on it, and then it's going to pop up in a new window. There's a direction video for them to watch, and then they go down here on the side, and they do all of the activities. And then once that's done, you can turn it in to me by clicking the X there, and there'll be a turn in button here, and you can turn that in, and then I can see it and grade it for you. Claire's already turned this in, so it's graded and ready to go. And then just to get back to the classroom to see everything, you can click 2019-2020, and then again go to Classwork. And you can see all the things that you can do for the week. I'll be updating this with new stuff for them to do every week, and I'll put the due date on the Sunday of the last week. So like, let's say this week was the, 23rd through the 29th. Your due date would be the Sunday, the 29th. So you have all week to do everything that's on here. Okay, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me on Blooms or post a comment anywhere you can. I'll help you out. Thanks.